Want to fix GeForce Now Error code 0x0000009D. This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to cloud gaming. Let's dive in. First things first, error code 0x0000009D in GeForce Now typically indicates a problem with network connectivity, often related to unstable internet or firewall interference. Now, let's start by checking your internet connection. GeForce Now requires a strong and stable connection. Run a speed test, speedtest.net, and ensure your download speed meets the minimum requirements, at least 15 megabits per second for 720p 60 fps, 25 megabits per second for 1080p 60 fps. If on Wi-Fi, try a wired Ethernet connection. Next, restart your router and modem. Unplug both for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, restart the device you're using to access GeForce Now. You'll also want to check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking GeForce Now's connection. Temporarily disable them and try launching the game. If it works, add exceptions for the GeForce Now application. Ensure your network connection is set to private rather than public in Windows. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. These can severely impact network performance and cause connection errors. Also, try changing your DNS settings to Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in your network adapter settings. Finally, ensure the GeForce Now application is fully updated. If using a browser, try clearing its cache and cookies. If the issue persists, the problem might be on NVIDIA's server end. Check the official GeForce Now status page. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more cloud gaming tips, and let it know in the comments what you want to see next.